Okay, so a little bit about the activities going on. So this event is actually showcasing of the AI development of China. It is look like was organized by the government and most of the private companies, big companies. Uh, Most of the companies showing up at least have some sort of a connection with the government. So at the end of the show, the last hall, it explains well what is this, how it happened, right? So it has separate subjects like power, water, agriculture, air, consumer goods, drone technology. They call it low altitude economy. Nice names. So now I am in the power sector. It's a bit early for the expo because normally people, it's Sunday, so they may be sleeping over there. Their homes not yet arrived. So basically, this is one of an interesting technologies. So hardwares, as you may see, I'm not going to take too much video of it just to explain. It's fine. So as you may see, those railings are equipped by various robots. So some are fire extinguishers, then another it's like a detection, face scan, security. There's the robot dogs are sleeping, and that robot dog can operate remotely about certain hazardous situation. So these kind of robots I had been seen almost every hall, every expo hall. They are using for various activities, even for like ambulance, like you see here. So operating of power grids. So that's the concept. It is not just making robots or making some AI program. It is how to incorporate those AI concept into AI technologies into day-to-day life, businesses, and how to use it. So at the end of the whole, it explains well how all these companies, most of the companies are less than 2-3 years old. Only those big companies like Sinopex, they are of course government funded companies, so they are a bit old. But most likely all the other companies are quite young. So that's one of the reason I came here and I talk about at least 20 to 25 bosses, like they are young guys, how they start and what makes them to come into this subject. So there is panel discussion quite noisy here. Let's walk out a little.
电力系统发生重大建筑的时候，能够快速的成立，又
just open, so people still outside pouring in.
这个方面的就是说，实际上电力系统做的也相对多一点。现在的
Okay, much better. So
已经使得电力的
the equipment.
技术往电力的
Not much of interesting for according to our subject. We are software. So, but some of our hardware probably we maybe can use it. So I will take the video recording. So in case later in the time we found some vendor or a company that can be used. Is for like a networking panel discussion. So this becoming very famous AI avatar. I have seen about 10 companies doing this. People go to take the AI picture and then it will make the avatar. And you can use it for across the various platforms, as you may see. But like I say, this is just one product of that company. But they have other monitoring systems, hardware related to energy, power. So this hall is dedicated to energy infrastructure and AI development related to energy.